Yeah. Hi, buddy. Mmm. I dare mommy to take it away from him. Take it away from him, mommy. See? He says no. Jagger. Is that your first ice cream bar? Huh?
He won't let me have it. He's holding it. Alright, Mommy's gonna have to take it. Okay. Look at Daddy.
Jagger! Hey, look!
Oh my gosh.
Make sure you don't get a piece where he chokes,
no.
though. Jagger, look at your
Mama
face!
has to take it away. Give it here. I'm sorry. Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy.
This is what you call a baby that wants some ice cream. If you want to keep recording, you can.
Look, hey, Daddy.
Sexy,
Oh,
mama.
look.
You're in trouble. No, baby, you're gonna make a mess. Oh, you're gonna have to change them and everything. And the boys are coming. Oh boy, mommy's in trouble.
Look at you. Get it here. You can't have it no more. I didn't know you was gonna want it that bad. Oh my
Breathe.
God.
Breathe, buddy. Breathe. Okay. He's coming for you, baby. He wants that ice cream.
What's wrong, honey? What's wrong?
Okay. I got it.